Welcome to the MIT ADT podcast. Today we have with us Mudra, third year student of School of Fine Arts, and Sakshi, master's student of School of Fine Arts. My first question is, how was your overall experience at MIT ADT University?
Overall experience has been quite nice. It's been around 1 year approx since I've been here, and this college, this place, in fact, the campus and everything here has provided me with so many opportunities. There has been such a big exposure for me as well to explore, even to define myself, and there has been so many places that I could put myself in and learn new things.
How has MIT ADT University has helped you in becoming a better version of yourself?
Actually, that's this amazing thing about MIT Data University that it is very welcoming and it is huge. Like you meet so many different types of people here. So for me, I feel after coming over here, I was interacting with people from different backgrounds. I was exploring different activities, and we have so many things going on over here, and just getting to know them, honing my own self, and actually there's this really beautiful campus. So there's like peaceful area where you can just sit, think, nurture yourself and your thoughts. And in the overall, if I'm talking about it, it's like the faculties and everything, they're just so welcoming and so guiding in towards actually discovering your own self. So I believe I wouldn't have been this confident or so outgoing if I wasn't over here. Yeah, and like try for new things, definitely.
Which has been your most memorable moment at MIT ADT University?
The most memorable moment has been in during my entire first year. There were a lot of events holding up, but one of them was a carnival which we had last year. So during that, we put up a stall. It was really nice. We were not even expecting such kind of feedback and such a big response from the entire department. But we received so much love. It was really overwhelming, and we just loved the experience. There are so many events, activities, academic related as well holding up. So you wouldn't ever get bored of anything. There is always excitement going on in any corner. So you'll enjoy every part of it.
You both are non-Maharashtrians, so how welcoming has the environment of MIT ADT University been for you?
I hail from Delhi. So coming from North India to Maharashtra it's like things are completely upside down. So the culture, the food, the people, the environment, the language, if I talk about every aspect, the things are completely new to me. I wasn't really mentally prepared for it, but coming here, everything was new. So it took me a little time, but the people here, when I first interacted with them, the localites, the students of MIT ADT, the faculties, I did not feel that I'm really stuck somewhere or I'm really not able to figure out something regarding my stay, my courses, regarding my curriculum, regarding the college, in fact, the university. Every individual I interacted with, I talked to, they were really guiding, they were really helpful, and I could easily figure out things. So initially, the experience was really good, and that is the reason I'm easily able to settle in the college so nicely.
So lastly, would you recommend MIT ADT University to the upcoming batches?
I would definitely recommend everybody who's like in my case, I can talk about that. So in my case, so School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts offers like 3 different things over here, which is like painting, sculpture, and applied arts. And I was a very confused being because I had changed my subject. There was COVID going on, and everything was just so many things were going on at the same time. And I was very confused as in what my core interest is in. So I came over here and the foundation here. So it's like we have a common foundation here, the first year itself, where the students of fine arts and applied arts sit together. We work on design thinking. We work on basics of sculpturing, drawing, all those things, and we just hone our skills so much and get to learn about it. Eventually, like for me, it has been definitely amazing journey, and I would definitely recommend because I found that I got in here for painting, but I discovered like I'm not a painting student, but more of an applied arts, and I was allowed to shift, which I'm very grateful for. So yeah, and the students, they were so creative, so talented, just such different things where I got to experience. And faculties have just been amazing. Like they've been my guide. Any problem I get, I just go to them. I'm like, sir, all of this is happening. Kindly guide me, and he just helps me out. So it has been phenomenal to be here, and I would definitely recommend.
Thank you so much, Mudra and Sakshi. It was lovely talking to you.